everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle and today I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts and review on the Aussie Total Miracle shampoo and conditioner. If you guys are curious whether this is a total miracle or a total mess, then be sure to keep on watching. So I'm just going to start off by letting you guys know what it claims on the back. They're pretty much both the same. One just says shampoo, one just says conditioner. So it says made with Australian aloe, jojoba oil, and sea kelp. This shampoo helps provide strength against damage, silky softness, split end protection, nourishing moisture, humidity control, brilliant shine, and lasting smoothness. So I've been using this for quite a while. I do only have half left, but I want to talk a little bit about the packaging. It has 778 milliliters of product in each one, and I really like that it has a pump to dispense the product because it really helps control how much I'm putting out. I know I'm only using a pump or half a pump, which is really nice, and something that most companies don't think about are the tops of the bottles, because the bottles are so similar and they literally look identical except for one says conditioner and one says shampoo. They made the tops different colors to differentiate in the shower, which I think is really, really great. So props to Aussie for that. I know they do that with a lot of their shampoos and conditioners. And then going on to the smells, this is the only shampoo conditioner set that I've ever had where the shampoo smells different than the conditioner, which is really odd because usually they're the same product, they should have the same scent, but this one has more of a coconut scent and this has more of like a nutty, oily, like aloe scent. They both smell good to me, but I just noticed that was different, which I thought was strange for being a shampoo and conditioner duo. And I will say I love the conditioner. It really delivers on what it says. It has claims that it's going to leave silky softness, split end protection, nourishing moisture, humidity control, brilliant shine, and lasting smoothness. And I feel like that's really held up. As you can see, my hair is really shiny, and I've had compliments at work from customers actually that my hair is really shiny. It feels really moisturized. If you touch it or run your fingers through it, it feels really healthy. Since I did recently cut my hair, I don't have any split ends, so I can't really judge on the protection of that, but you can see at the top of my head, it's been hot here in Canada lately, and there's no frizz. It's not really making my hair go crazy with the humidity that we've been having, so I think that the shampoo and conditioner are doing its job, which is really great. Especially near the ends. After I shower, my ends feel really, really soft, and I only put conditioner in my ends, so this conditioner is definitely good and definitely worth it. However, I feel much less about the shampoo. The thing about the shampoo is it's not nourishing or moisturizing, and it's also not clarifying. So usually shampoos are either one or the other, and this is neither. So I find that if it was to be nourishing, my scalp wouldn't be so dry, but if it was clarifying, all the buildup and gunk would be gone. My scalp would feel squeaky clean, and I don't have that. So for the shampoo, I'm going to have to say that's a hard pass. It hasn't really done anything to really strengthen the roots of my hair. I haven't noticed any difference. But I have been growing my hair out for a couple of years, and I've done it before where I grow my hair and then I donate it. And my hair is pretty long, like it's going to be out of the... My hair is pretty long and very thick, and I always donate it to the Pantene Beautiful Lengths program for making wigs for cancer patients. And with growing my hair out and always having long hair and having to really take care of it and maintain it, because it is like a big job to do, to take care of your hair and maintain it, make sure you don't have split ends. I've noticed that buying the same shampoo and conditioner set really doesn't work. I find that you have to find a really good shampoo, really good clarifying but also nourishing shampoo, and then you can pick your favorite conditioner, the most moisturizing conditioner, and that usually works really well. I will say that when I grow my hair out, I always like to use the Aussie because it makes my hair feel really, really soft and smooth at the bottom, and I usually use a different shampoo on top. So this duo was not a total miracle, it was a total mess, but I will say that the conditioner is a total miracle. So on its own, this is great, but together they don't really work the best. So I'm definitely going to keep using this and try it out with my other shampoos. If you guys want to see any more hair care videos, hair care routines, or just how I grow my hair out super long and keep it healthy, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below telling me what your favorite hair care product is, so maybe I can get some recommendations from you guys. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!